everyone, it's Tiana. So I'm here again with another YouTube video. So I decided that with this eyeshadow look, just simple, easy eyeshadow look, I used the two palettes, which was Back to Brazil from BH Cosmetics and the Zulu palette from Juvias place. So these are the two palettes that I used to get this super easy eyeshadow look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching.
Hey everyone, so like I said in the previous clip, the two palettes I'm going to take is the Back to Brazil and Zulu. To underline underneath my eye, just so the colors can pop, I use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in shade Fair 00. And then I'm going to take that red shade and put it right at the front of my eyebrow. Pack that color in and blend it out. So the look is pretty self-explanatory, but make sure that with this look that you blend out each shade, so you won't see like the line of demarcation for each color. So you're going to see me go back in, redo it, and fill it back in and things like that, so you won't see the line of demarcation. Next, I'm going to take the Born to Glow foundation by NYX. This is like my favorite drugstore foundation. It's a little bit darker than me, but it's perfect for like when I want to do like really bright under eye concealer. It's perfect. Don't mind me, I dropped foundation on my shirt and I was upset. Well, this shirt is now a goner, so yeah. Then I take the Itsmyrayersye Cosmetics kabuki brush, and I'm gonna blend out this foundation. So next I'm going to take my favorite concealer, which is Colourpop No Filter Concealer. So I learned this little trick from Miss Jazz on Instagram and YouTube. She's an Atlanta makeup artist. So basically what you do is line your concealer underneath your eyes and drag it out past a little bit past your eye and stop the concealer right before you get to the end of your nose. I do this a lot because I have more of a rounder face, and so just to give me more of a snatched look, this is perfect. So my cheeks can be like, I love it. And once I found out this, it changed everything. Next, I'm going to take the Juvias Place foundation stick in the shade Namibia. I thought you'd be able to see it on the camera, but you can't. My camera wasn't focused. But I'm going to put that on right before I put on my powder contour, just to set that in place. You already know I'm about to take my favorite setting powder, which is Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Honey. This is my favorite. It looks good in pictures and it just melts. Like, it's finely milled. I love it. Next, I'm going to take my favorite blush from Rimmel London in the shade 5. I think this blush is the perfect shade for darker skin tones. Next, I'm going to take Cotton Candy Lashes in the style Imani. This is my favorite lash. I'm shocked I put this on without tweezers. And then I'm going to take my favorite highlight. It's from the Itsmyrayersye palette, French Toast and Radiant mixed together. Next, I'm going to take my favorite lip combo, gloss lip combo, which is Chestnut by NYX and Sparkling Rose by e.l.f. They're pumping gloss. I love it. I'm starting to get into more glosses now. So, this is my favorite so far. And this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!